Where you say they another juice now?
Eh?
Where you say that juice your name?
Stamina.
What kind of stamina you give?
Eh?
What kind of stamina you give?
Just like we are. You can train up like we are doing.
Eh?
Bullock cake and wheat water.
Bullock cake and
water.
Stamina you give?
Mm.
Stamina for door.
Eh?
Stamina for door.
Eh? Sir, you dashboard and clean one.
Can't clean off, man. You're good.
Mm.
Now you're not drinking already.
Have you seen one?
Eh? You sell it?
Yeah, same as it.
How much rate?
152 bills.
152 bills. 150 or 2 bills?
150. You can give me 2 bills here.
150, but we can't give you 2 bills.
Yeah. 150.
So if me drink, you will give me stamina. Eh? Stamina for door.
Hey. Hey.
Eh? What kind of stamina that give?
What
kind of... Where you come from? So you made a juice there? Eh?
Yeah.
You want me to see water upon it, man?
Yes, water is funny.
Eh?
Water is right funny.
Oh, okay. So you make it?
Yeah.
So you launch it for New Year? You turn businessman? Eh? Big up yourself, man. Big up your damn self. What's your name?
Jovan.
Jovan. The girls name Divan. The stamina Joe.
Yes, Joe and the girls name Jovan.
Alright, family. Take care, yeah? I'm come home. Yeah, man. Tell the people why Joe's name.
Come here.
You take a sip of it now, this is what you can drink.
Eh? Can't drink.
Eh?
Let's drink one. Can't drink it.
Then you want to drink it?
Can't drink some. Yes, you can't drink it.
You have to have one sitting on fire? Alright, blood. Take it easy, yeah?